What's up, guys? As you saw, we're back in the Philippines, Manila, Philippines. So today we're at Bonifacio Global City, BGC's SM Aura. We're gonna go ahead and look for corned beef. That's today's goal. And why do you ask corned beef? Because there is a Delimondo store that they have here in SM Aura. I want to see how that little food cafe is. We're gonna go ahead and find it. Let's go. All right. It's already Christmas season here in the Philippines. Whew. We're looking for Delimondo. This is a mall. I have a whole tour of this, maybe like somewhere in my playlist. Go ahead and check that out if you want to see it. Right now, we're on a mission to go find some corned beef. All right, food on 4 is actually where it's supposed to be, and I think I could already see it. We're gonna go ahead and grab a bite to eat here in the SM Aura. There's a lot of food restaurants that you could eat at here at SM Aura and BGC, but this one kind of just opened up, and Delimondo is all the rage for corned beef. Delimondo actually started out in Makati, yes, Salcedo market, morning market street, Saturday market. Here it is, Delimondo Cafe. There's even a robot. That's cool. This is the Delimondo Cafe. Let's give you a 360 view around it. They also sell like pastries or like bread that have like corned beef in them. I'll show you how it looks. Corned beef bun. And then there's a caldereta pie. And salted egg Danish. There's even some drinks over here. That's cool. Here at Delimondo Cafe, right near Cinnabon. Here's the prices too. Oh, there's even cakes. Cool. And what they have to offer. That's cool. So I've actually only eaten Delimondo maybe like a few times, like twice or 3 times. So I want to see how their food is. This is robot tray, and this is the cafe. The man's over there eating. You can also buy things here. Corned beef, tapa, adobo. All the stuff that they have. The chili, garlic, crunch, olive oil. That is interesting. There it is. This is Delimondo corned beef. I have a whole vlog of this for the first time, and man, it was good. I do want to get the garlic, chili garlic. I'm not sure if they have that. They have all these pasta bowls up there, and pasta, rice bowls, pasta, baked skillets, and there's a menu just down here. Oh damn. This is kind of what I want to try. Ranch corned beef. This one has egg as well. Spicy stuff. And then some drinks. That is cool. Let's go ahead and try chili corned beef. That looks good. Oh, it's a bimbop's Korean style. I do want this one, the classic. But then there's all these other pastas that look interesting, you know. But we're here for this rice bowl. Classic ranch bowl.
Classic ranch bowl.
Yeah. Oh, is it refillable? No. Okay, so just get a bottled water. Oh, it was $3.90 for the rice bowl, the classic one, and I got a bottle of water. We'll see how that looks in a bit.
Here, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'll come back. So they give you this cool like blinker or beeper to let you know when your meal's ready to go ahead and pick it up. I'll show you how that looks in a bit. This food court also has a cool playground that kids could play at. We'll chill like right over here. Looks like a good spot to have corned beef. Okay, our blinker or beeper is going off. Let's go ahead and see what our food has. Woo.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Wow. Okay. This is the Delimondo Ranch bowl. here at the Delimondo Cafe at SM Aura. It looks like it has, I'm not sure what this is, radish, some cucumbers, of course the classic style ranchero, Delimondo, sunny side, or a scrambled egg, and some garlic rice. Of course, I got some water, gotta stay hydrated. Let's give this bad boy a taste. That looks good. They even have, I think this is like in Philippines they have like red onions. See that? Red onion. We're gonna mix this bad boy up, kind of like a bimbap. That looks really good already. Ooh. Oh, they even have like a baked pineapple, I believe, that's on it. Okay, now let's mix this bad boy up. See how it tastes. The Delimondo Cafe here in SM Aura. Whew. The cucumber is like really sliced, skinny. I don't know if you can see that. Cool. We'll go ahead and get this first bite in. Let me see that. Yeah. Yeah, that is good. I could prefer me some of the garlic chili, and like a lot of onions and garlic would be good and nice with this meal. Wow. Wow. The red onions complement this really good. Not sure if this is like a radish or a beet. Pretty good. Gives it a little sour flavor and taste. Same texture as a cucumber. Wow. The meat is nice and salty. Has a good mix with the egg. Gives it a creamy filling flavor. Wow. And I do love it if I had Tabasco. It's like my first time having corned beef with cucumbers and like radish. Very interesting, but it gives a nice texture and sourness to it, and you know, it blends well with the saltiness of the corned beef. And the egg makes it really fluffy and a bit more creamier than what I'm used to. My plate actually looks like bimbap. Itadakimasu. Look at that corned beef. The story of Delimondo is this lady who used to sell at Salcedo morning market. She got super viral and big, and her packaging was very simple. It was just plain white. People would make fun of it, thinking it was like dog food, but when people actually tasted it, they really liked the beef. It's also all from the Philippines. There is tons of different flavors for Delimondo. If you have not tried, I recommend you do. When you come to Philippines, you'll see it all over, like Robinson's and Pure Gold and all this other stuff. Get a can, get that chili garlic one, try it out, and I promise you, you're gonna like this taste of corned beef. Totally different from like Argentina and ox and palm. This whole mix looks wild, but it tastes really good. It's a big delight of senses and flavors in your mouth, from salty to creamy to even like sour. Very interesting. Also the texture is something soft, something crunchy. Goes well with this garlic rice. Wow. Just like that, we're done. a damn chance. A great way to start your day here in BGC. Have a really hearty breakfast just like that here at Delimondo Cafe. My name's Mark. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Peace. I'm out.